All right. Today we had exactly what we were looking for in Bitcoin with the breakout to a brand new all-time high at that price target right around 75,000. And remember, this was the low risk entry during the pullback. I drew this yellow arrow that I wanted you to look at the opportunity to buy while we had the low risk entry around 68 to 69,000. For this very impulsive push towards 80,000, and we did get the huge volume push today. So congratulations for anybody who got this trade. This is one of those trades that I had lined up for a Q4 rally, and we absolutely knocked it out of the park. And I've been spending a lot of time talking about Bitcoin during these video updates because I thought it was such a great opportunity. And remember, we nailed that last trade during the pullback to 65,000, and then we hit the price target up there at 71,000. So this is now the second trade on Bitcoin we have knocked out of the park in the last month. Remember, there is a ton of swing trade ideas for Q4 rallies in my Discord server, but a lot of those trades are already starting to run, so we're already starting to create separation from the entry levels and already even starting to book some profits on some of them that are moving very quickly, like this one on Bitcoin. So if you're interested in more of those ideas, they're all in my Discord server, which you can find out how to join in the link in the description of this video. And remember, for swing trades, you always want to get in at those low risk opportunities because that is where you get the high reward and the low risk entries that is going to allow you to be a profitable trader over time. A great trader is a great risk manager, and you always need to have risk in the back of your mind when you're taking trades, and all of your trades should be based around a risk level. So right now on Bitcoin, everything is looking good on the bull breakout above 72,000, so you can use that as your risk level. And if you got these very low risk entries and you don't mind holding for a very long time, I do believe Bitcoin is going to much higher prices. On SPY, we were up 2.49% today, and we had a monster gap up to a brand new all-time high above 585. We held that breakout of the retest as support, and we are now pushing higher towards my price target at 593. I talked about this just last night, how we were likely going to have a very powerful rally to all-time highs after the election, and with the election in the rearview mirror, we got just that. So watch that resistance at the brand new all-time high at 593, and if we break that, we'll be looking for a push into the 600. You can stay bullish above the breakout at 584, and if we can't hold above the breakout, then we could easily fill this gap right around 576. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 2.72% today, and just like SPY, we had the gap up to a higher high breakout above 500, and we did hit the brand new all-time high, which meant we had to break above the previous all-time high at 503, and that is exactly what we did today, closing well above 505, and I still have that price target up there for you at 510. Stay bull above 500 and above 503, those are great risk levels, and if we can't hold above those, we do have a gap to fill right around 493. So as I said many times, there was likely going to be a very powerful rally after the election. I still think there's plenty of opportunities for more rallies into the end of the year to finish out Q4, and those are all of the ideas that I'm posting for you right there in my Discord server, which you can find out how to join in the link in the description of this video. You'll also get access to the members only videos, my intraday updates, and all of my technical analysis, so now is a great time to be in the Discord server. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.